The chip inside your next smartphone or laptop could cost half of what it does today, and one company just figured out how. Like, share, and subscribe. TSMC, the world's most powerful chip manufacturer, is developing a technology called CoPoS. That stands for chip on panel on structure. It uses glass as a base material during manufacturing, building the chip in a three-layer structure like a precision-engineered sandwich. This allows much finer connections between chip layers, which means faster performance and lower production costs. Now here's where it gets interesting. TSMC plans to start mass production using CoPoS by end of 2028, and the first chip built with this technology will be Nvidia's next-generation AI processor called Feynman. This tells you everything. Nvidia, the company dominating artificial intelligence hardware, has already committed to this technology before it even reaches mass production. Here is why that matters for you. Lower chip manufacturing costs do not stay with the manufacturer. They flow down. Cheaper AI chips mean faster AI products, more affordable devices, and a wider gap between TSMC and every rival trying to catch up. Samsung and Intel are now under pressure to develop something comparable or risk falling permanently behind in the race to build the chips that power artificial intelligence. CoPoS is not just a packaging upgrade, it could redraw the entire semiconductor map. So the real question is, if Nvidia locks in this advantage early, who actually wins the AI hardware war? Drop your answer in the comments.